Ogbono and Egusi soup is one of the Nigerian soups you are going to love once you try it. Hello lovelies, it's Ada here. How you guys doing today? So in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through on how to make Ogbono and Egusi soup. And guys, you're going to love this one. This soup is very easy to prepare, and trust me, it was so delicious. Continue watching as I walk you through. So here I have the ingredients I'm going to use to prepare this delicious Ogbono and Egusi soup. Here I have pepper, crayfish and bonga fish. They will be all grounded together. Then here I have egusi and also Ogbono. Then I have my stock, kpomo stock with the mixed stock, so it was pre-cooked. Then this is bitter leaf, palm oil. Then I have smoked fish here. So guys, here are the ingredients I'm going to be using to prepare this soup. And guys, it was so delicious. It's a soup you want to try out. Like, you are going to enjoy this one. So here I have the ground egusi and ground Ogbono. So with the egusi, I grounded it with dried locust beans, and that is the black thing you're seeing there. Okay, so I'm going to transfer the egusi into a plate. So to prepare this Ogbono and Egusi soup, okay, you're going to be using 4:1 ratio of egusi to Ogbono. So this is Ogbono adding to the egusi. So you just need little Ogbono with more of egusi. Okay, then add oil to it. So if you've not prepared this soup before, this is a video you want to watch to the end. And trust me guys, this is so easy to prepare. So as you guys can see, I'm mixing the Ogbono and egusi together. So remember, I said egusi will be 4 times bigger than the Ogbono. So you have 4:1 ratio of egusi. Egusi is 4 ratio and the Ogbono is 1. So that way you are going to have a very delicious and good consistency of your egusi to Ogbono. You're going to love how it looks like, both the consistency and all. So guys, mix very well. So this will help to the oil added will help to kind of, you know, dissolve the egusi and the Ogbono. And that way, even if you've not tried egusi and Ogbono before, this method is the best you can start with, okay, because you're going to achieve a very good and better result. So in a pot, I'm going to be adding the pre-cooked kpomo and beef, and add enough water to cook the soup. So once the water boils, I'm going to be adding the bone smoked fish. Then this is a combination of the bonga fish, crayfish and pepper. Then you're going to mix. You're going to cover and leave to boil. So once it boils, you're going to be adding the Ogbono and egusi mixture in bits like so. Gently add the Ogbono like so with the egusi mixture, okay. So I'm going to be adding the bitter leaf. You know, bitter leaf is a hard leaf, so at this point I'm adding bitter leaf. Immediately I added the Ogbono and egusi. I added the bitter leaf immediately because bitter leaf is a strong leaf, so we want the leaf to soften. That was why we added it this early, okay. Guys, this soup was so delicious. So if you've not tried it, just try the soup and you're going to love it. And this method I used is the easiest method so far to actually prepare this soup, and it will come out so yummy. Then after it must have boiled for about 15 minutes, add your seasoning cube. Then you add salt. Give it a good stir. So guys, are you seeing the consistency of this soup? Cover and leave to boil for another 5 minutes. So give it a good stir. So guys, our soup is almost ready. Like, this soup is so easy to prepare. So once is done, remove from heat, and guys, we are serving our soup already. So this is a very easy soup to prepare, and of course it was so delicious. You can enjoy this soup with any swallow you want. Guys, try this soup, you are going to love this soup. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So for me, I'm enjoying with fufu. So for the list of ingredients, check the description. Thank you so much and see you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.